Hey there, beautiful souls. Are you ready to embark on a journey to unlock the secrets of eternal youth? I thought so. In this video, we've got something extra special in store for you. You see, we've heard your feedback and decided to bring you an in-depth exploration of the top 12 foods that can truly turn back the clock. But here's the deal, to reap the full benefits, you've got to stick around till the very end. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single nugget of wisdom we've got in store for you. So, grab your notepad, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right in. Glowing star. 1. Berries, antioxidant powerhouses. Our first stop on the path to youthful skin is berries. These tiny, vibrant gems are bursting with antioxidants, molecules that combat free radicals, which are like the villains of aging. By neutralizing free radicals, berries help reduce oxidative stress, a major contributor to aging. 2. Fatty fish, omega-3 for supple skin. Now, let's dive into the world of fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These wonders are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which do wonders for your skin. Omega-3s maintain your skin's elasticity, reduce inflammation, and provide deep hydration from within. 3. Nuts and seeds, the ultimate youthful snack. Next up, we have the delightful crunch of almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds. They bring to the table a triple threat of youthful benefits. Healthy fats, antioxidants, and vitamins work in harmony to promote skin health and overall vitality. 4. Leafy greens, defying wrinkles with vitamins. Now, let's explore the verdant world of leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. Beyond their vibrant color, these greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. These compounds enhance your skin's elasticity and act as a protective shield against sun damage. 5. Avocado, nature's skin moisturizer. Avocado is the fifth food on our journey. Rich in monounsaturated fats, it's like nature's moisturizer for your skin. Not only does it promote hydration and elasticity, but it also boasts vitamin E, a potent antioxidant known for its skin-enhancing properties. 6. Tomatoes, your skin's best friend against the sun. Tomatoes, the unsung heroes of youthful skin. They contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that acts like an internal SPF, shielding your skin from UV damage. Opt for cooked tomatoes to unlock even more lycopene benefits. 7. Green tea, sipping elegance for ageless skin. Picture yourself sipping on some green tea as we discuss our 7th food. Green tea is rich in polyphenols that fight inflammation and offer protection against aging. By making green tea a part of your daily routine, you can reduce the risk of wrinkles and age-related skin issues. 8. Dark chocolate, a guilty pleasure that's good for you. Yes, you heard it right. Dark chocolate can be your guilt-free guilty pleasure that's actually good for your skin. It's like an oasis of delight in the desert of dietary restrictions. The key to dark chocolate's skin-loving properties lies in its high cocoa content. This cocoa treasure chest is packed with flavonoids, a group of antioxidants that can work wonders for your skin. Flavonoids help enhance skin hydration, boost circulation, and protect against sun damage. They also assist in improving skin density and thickness, effectively reducing the appearance of fine lines. 9. Water, the ultimate beauty elixir. Before we dive deeper into the world of skin-nourishing foods, let's take a moment to emphasize the importance of water. While it may not be a food per se, it's undoubtedly the ultimate beauty elixir. Proper hydration is the cornerstone of maintaining skin moisture and elasticity, effectively delaying the onset of fine lines. Water helps transport essential nutrients to your skin cells and flushes out toxins that can contribute to premature aging. But here's the twist, it's not just about how much water you consume, it's also about how you consume it. Sipping water throughout the day ensures a consistent flow of hydration, keeping your skin plump and radiant. So, consider your water bottle your new best friend on your journey to youthful skin. 10. Almonds, the skin-saving nut. Now, let's talk about almonds, the skin-saving nut that's not just a healthy snack but also a secret weapon for youthful skin. Almonds are brimming with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that plays a pivotal role in skin health. Vitamin E helps protect your skin from the harmful effects of UV radiation and oxidative stress, which can lead to premature aging. Additionally, it supports skin cell regeneration, ensuring that new, healthy cells replace old ones, maintaining a youthful appearance. 11. Avocado, nature's moisturizer for your skin. Moving on to another remarkable food for youthful skin, avocados. Avocados are often referred to as nature's moisturizer for their incredible ability to hydrate and nourish your skin. These green wonders are loaded with healthy fats, primarily monounsaturated fats, which help maintain your skin's moisture barrier. A strong moisture barrier is essential for preventing dryness, irritation, and the appearance of fine lines. They also contain vitamin C and E, as well as biotin, all of which are essential for skin health. 12. Tomatoes, the skin's shield against sun damage. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about tomatoes, the skin's natural shield against sun damage. Tomatoes are rich in a potent antioxidant called lycopene, which gives them their vibrant red hue. Lycopene is a superhero when it comes to protecting your skin from UV radiation, one of the primary culprits behind premature aging. It helps neutralize free radicals generated by sun exposure, reducing the risk of sunburn and the development of fine lines and wrinkles. But the benefits of tomatoes go beyond sun protection. They also contain vitamin C, which boosts collagen production, and vitamin A, known for its skin-renewing properties. Together, these nutrients make tomatoes an excellent addition to your diet for ageless beauty. As we wrap up our journey through these top 12 foods for youthful skin, remember that true beauty starts from within. While there are countless skincare products promising miraculous results, the foundation of ageless beauty lies in the foods you consume daily. By incorporating these skin-loving foods into your diet, you're not only promoting a radiant complexion but also supporting your overall health. So, embrace these natural allies for youthful skin, and let your inner beauty shine through. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening gastronomic adventure, and here's to a lifetime of timeless beauty.